Hi guys, guess what? Very different special video today, okay? First, I'm going to definitely show you in this video how to earn over $100 in commissions per sale in PayPal Cash over and over again, guys. And this video, pay attention very closely because guess what? You're going to be able to ask me questions live tonight. Look in the video description. You're going to see the exact time I'm going to go live so you can ask me any questions about this method. I can't wait to show you, so let's get started right now. Alright guys, I'm back in my slideshow here. If you didn't hear my intro, I was telling you that I am going to go live in a few hours to answer any questions that you have about this video, okay? So look up for the times underneath this video in the video description, and I'll give you the exact times I'm going to go live this evening and I'm going to answer all your questions, guys, okay? So let's get started with this video. How to make over $100 commissions per sale. Of course, guys, I am talking about using the affiliate marketing business model. This is the only business model that can allow you to make this kind of money without owning your own products. And it's so awesome that anyone can get into making money online very easily by joining affiliate programs that companies are offering, okay? So what do you need to do? You need to find affiliate programs that earns you big commissions, of course. But how are you going to find them? What kind of programs will give you that? And it is subscription and membership types of programs, okay? Or tools. So subscription or membership sites in my industry, I know that hosting, it has really great affiliate programs. And they usually pay, if you're a good affiliate, they pay you over $100 per sale. They do 100 to 125, 150 per sale. And also, if you have other software type tools are a great way for you to earn over $100 as well, because tools have membership options where you could pay monthly or yearly, and yearly are the ones that you can earn big commissions on, guys, okay? Also, those sites allow you to earn recurring commissions, and this is where you could earn very awesome money without making extra work. So think about it this way. Every single month you could sell 10 items, okay? But what if every single month you start out with some sales, and on top of the 10 sales, you could combine the sales that you had from last time. So the second month you can have 20 sales without adding more work, you see? So recurring commissions are awesome, and you want to find affiliate programs that give you commissions for life, meaning if you bring somebody into a tool to use or some kind of subscription program, that you get to earn that commission as long as they stay on that program. So that's how you could get commissions for life, and that's how you can earn passive online income, and that's how you can earn recurring commissions for life this way if you join these software type companies or tools or some kind of subscription type company, okay? Or tool or thing that you want to promote. And if you look at any type of niche that you are going to go into, there could be a training type program in any niche that you go into. But the best affiliate program is to come, so just hold on. And then once you find the affiliate program, does this product solve a problem for my audience? And when you gotta ask this question, okay? When I say my audience, it means the people in the niche that you want to go into. So if you're going to go into like a diet or weight loss niche, does this product solve their problem, okay? If you go into a weight loss niche, then you could probably find other types of subscription type, either a subscription type of program that they can join to lose weight, or some other type of membership program that they can join to learn how to lose weight, okay? So you need to see if this product or program that you want to promote can solve the problem for your audience. If it does solve the problem, how are you going to show? So you need to show your audience how they can benefit from this product, okay? But then you need to have a medium. So how are you going to show people how they can benefit from the products that you want to promote, right? You need to build an online asset. And this is how you can make hundreds of dollars per sale with an online asset, is because there's several reasons why it does. Okay, so this is going to be something you own, okay, which is very, very important because people get shut down online all the time, guys. Okay, so you want to build your space, your online home on your platform, right? You don't want to build your home on somebody else's land, somebody else's asset, right? Because they can shut you down. So that's like any social media platform you could think of, right? And that's why you want to build your own asset, which is a website, okay? Like mine, workanywherenow.com, okay? It is a blog website. So why you want a blog website is because they get ranked on search engines. And why do you want to get ranked on search engines? Because that's where people can find you. People can find you. Instead of you going out to go find them, people come to you. Isn't that awesome? It's called attraction marketing, guys, okay? That is how you can get massive amounts of people coming to your affiliate offers when you get ranked on search engines, guys, okay? And this is how it attracts its own visitors, because it gets ranked on search engines and people can find you. And that's how it attracts its own visitors, guys. Okay. And once you have your website attract its own visitors, guess what? You earn passive online income. Yes. It is amazing to wake up to passive online income, guys. Okay. I tell you that right now. Okay. People are gonna freak out because I said website, but it literally takes less than a minute to create, okay? Building a website these days is a very easy process, and I can take you there right now. So where can you build that can be this fast? Is definitely somewhere that I've been using. All right, guys, this is the place that I want you to build at, because you know why? They have a huge discount right now. And look, there's only 15 hours left as of this recording. So you need to act fast, okay? So what is Wealthy Affiliate? Wealthy Affiliate is where you can build your online asset, and they show you how to do it and how to use affiliate marketing to monetize that website. So you can build it the right way that it attracts some visitors, and then you use affiliate marketing to make money from your website. And Wealthy Affiliate specializes in teaching you how to do this, guys. There's no better place to learn than right here at Wealthy Affiliate, because that's what they do, guys, okay? I'm going to take you inside and show you. But before I do that, what you need to get to this page is workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, okay? If you use my affiliate link, you're going to get my face on this Wealthy Affiliate homepage, and you really do want my face on here, because then that means you're going to get me as your premium coach if you go premium, okay? So this is where I started in 2016, guys, okay? And they trained me so well that I have become a super affiliate on here. And so I can help you and guide you on your online journey. And that's why it's important to use workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, okay? So let me take you inside. Okay, I'm inside one of my test accounts right here, and I'm going to show you how fast it is to build a website. But this is the training though, guys, okay? Before I show you, this is the training. It's under training tab. This is the course that I'm telling you that you can learn how to build your website out. It's step by step, and each lesson, look, there's 5 phases, and each of them have 10 lessons each. So you have 50 lessons to guide you through how to build out your website. Everything you need to know to make money on its own and get you passive online income. So that is exactly how you're going to learn how to build your website. It is not that difficult these days when you have something guiding you like this, guys, okay? So let's build a website together real fast right now. I'm going to click build a website. So all I did was go websites and click build a website to get to this page on a free domain, and then I can name it anything I want. So I'm going to put Grace's tips for making money. And then I'm going to just choose a theme, which is like a design of your site. And then I click build. And you're going to see how fast this builds, okay? Within less than 1 minute, this is gonna build and it's gonna be live on the internet. And you can get this for free, okay? With your free account, you get 2 websites. See? My link is right here, website URL. So if I click that, it will go to my site. Look how fast my site is already available for me to look at on the internet, okay? It's a free account, guys, okay? This account is my test account. I haven't upgraded. There's no premium. This is not a premium account, guys, okay? That's all you have to do to create a website. You saw how fast that was. And then what you do is you just log in right here real fast. You just click that login button. Look, I'm in the back of my website. How easy is this? And then you start building your website. And then you can add a post, very easy, okay? It is not that hard to build a post. And why do you want to build posts on your website? It's because this is how you're going to show people how they will benefit. So let's say we are talking about wealthy affiliate, okay? Because their affiliate program is amazing, okay? So what you can do is go to your profile here. You see here, you're going to go into include it with premium, okay? Right here on this page, you're going to read everything about wealthy affiliate. You can learn everything on this one simple page, guys, okay? So what happens is that you want to read everything about it, then you're going to transfer it here, okay? You could do a title, does it work? Worth it? And then you're going to talk about all the things that wealthy affiliate features. So you can talk about the features, talk about the benefits, talk about what they'll learn. And then you can say, you know, create your free account. And then you're going to link it here, okay? You're going to link your affiliate link. So how do you get your affiliate link? It's very easy, guys. So go back to WA here, dashboard. Okay, then I'm going to go to this $ up top here. And I'm going to go to links and tracking, guys, okay? This is where you could get all your links. And look, there's a Black Friday sale right here going on. And there's like create an account. So you could use any of these affiliate links to promote. So I just use a main link right now. And I copied and then I'm going to paste here and click that arrow button and I'm done, guys, okay? That's how you could link. And also, wealthy affiliate gives you banners. So if you go back to the dollar icon, you click banners. If you want to do Black Friday, they have specific Black Friday, okay? They'll give you a code, which you just copy real fast. Highlight and copy, and then let's say I want to put it in between these paragraphs. Then all I do is I'm going to move myself down here. All I gotta do is there's 2 tabs here, visual and text. I'm gonna go to text and I'm gonna just highlight one of these return codes and just paste my code in there for the banner. And watch this when I go back to the visual tab, bam, there's the banner. And then just highlight this and click center. I mean, is this really hard, guys? I mean, if you know how to type, you know how to type, right? So if you know how to type, you just talk about the features, you know. You got to talk about the lessons. So you get 10 lessons per level. You got, you know, how many levels? 5 levels. Then you got tools you can use here. Okay, you got hosting here. You got so many, you got live chat. You got live webinars. So this platform basically is for online entrepreneurs that want to build their online business with a website, guys, okay? And let's look at the affiliate program, okay? So this is how you can earn over $100 per sale, guys, okay? First of all, when you're a free member, you still get to earn. So you could only earn half though, compared to a premium member. So if you're a premium, you get full access, guys, okay? So I'm just gonna go to the upgrade page so you guys can see there are 2 things that you can earn from: the monthly plan, and you can earn from the yearly plan. And how you can earn from these is that so for a monthly plan, when somebody pays $19, you earn $8 if you're a premium. And if somebody takes a $2.99 Black Friday sale right now, you earn $130, okay? And if it wasn't Black Friday, this price would be $359 and you earn $175, so you earn even more. So this is how you can earn over $100 per sale, guys. And these guys pay by PayPal, and that's how you could get your money on the first of every single month. They pay whether it's a weekend or a holiday. As long as it's the first of the month, you get paid, guys, okay? You get paid through PayPal. And guess what? Every year you can actually win a trip to Las Vegas and meet with the owners to the Super Affiliate Conference, which I attended this past January of 2019. So you can find this video, actually I have a video of it on my channel. So this is how you can earn over $100 per sale. So you could be learning and earning at the same time, guys. And these are your affiliate links. Again, you could go to links and tracking, and here are your affiliate links. That's how you could grab your affiliate links. And you do want to earn, so these are the amounts that you can earn fully. They also have a 6-month plan, guys. I'm not sure why it's not showing up, but there is a 6-month plan as well, which is $234, and you get to earn $108 on that. So if they go 6 months. And so if you are a starter free member though, you can get on here and start promoting and earn half. But the real $100 per sale is that you need to be premium. And you know, if you catch this sale yourself, this only costs you 82 cents a day, okay? This $2.99, it's only 82 cents a day to run your online business. There is no better deal, guys, than this today. So you literally have 15 hours left from this video. So, and before I leave this video, you want to see some proof of me making some money, I have it right here. So if you want, you could just go on here as a free account, look me up right here, click on Littlemama up here and look at my blog and check out this post. My latest post talks about how I've been earning over $100 commissions. The proof is in the post, so go ahead and check it out and you will see my income proof on there, guys, okay? So I hope you would join me at workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama so I could be your premium coach, guys. I'm one of the most active super affiliates out there, and I would definitely help you in your journey. So sign up with my affiliate link, workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama, guys. So I hope I see you tonight on my live. If you have any questions on this affiliate program or how to build an online asset like a blog so you can make some real online income, guys. And so I hope I see you tonight, guys, okay? And if not, I guess I'll see you on the next video, guys, okay? Bye.